For building AI agents, which one is more important, the model or the architecture? Most people think the answer is a better model. I wanted to test whether the real answer is a better workflow. Because when you build AI agents, that's the real decision. Do you want one strong model doing everything, or a graph of smaller models, each doing one part of the job? To test that, I built a benchmark around an AI short video assistant. You give it one brief and it has to produce the whole package: the hook, the outline, the script, the titles, the thumbnail text, the visual ideas, and the CTA. I picked this scenario for a simple reason. The stages are easy to see, and that makes it a really good benchmark for orchestration. Then I run that exact same task 3 different ways. First, one single GPT-5.4 pass. Second, a LangGraph workflow powered by GPT-5.4. And third, the exact same workflow again, but now powered by GPT-4.1 inside a LangGraph workflow, of course. Same task, same target, different architecture. Now let's run it. On the left, one model does the whole job in one shot. On the graph runs, the work gets split up. Planning, hooking, drafting, critic, final editing. That's the point of this setup. I'm not just comparing models, I'm comparing architectures. The writer's room is just the example. What I really care about is this. Can the workflow do part of the thinking for the model? Instead of hiding everything inside one giant prompt, the graph makes the hands-off visible. You can literally watch the work move through the system. Now here's where it gets interesting. In these runs, the single GPT-5.4 pass was still the fastest. So this is not a smaller model's win story. But when you look at the outputs, the graph-based system is doing something very different. It's cleaner, it's more deliberate, and it feels like a system, not a single one-shot guess. The single run is faster, but the graph gives you the better outcome. And once you commit to the graph, GPT-4.1 looked like the more practical choice. It was faster than GPT-5.4 in the same workflow, while still giving you a very strong result. That's the system's lesson. Once the workflow is already doing part of the thinking, the best model choice can change. This benchmark suggests that the best model is not just about raw intelligence. It depends on how much thinking your workflow already does for the model. That's the part I care about most in agent design. Not just which model looks strongest on its own, but how the architecture changes what the model actually needs to be good at. In the name of Allah, I'm sma-jafari. I build production-grade AI agents. You can find me on LinkedIn at this address. Thanks for watching.